This video is discussing confidence intervals and margin of error. This is part 2, where you will actually use the calculator. So in the last video, you used the formula that was just shown. Right now, for example 1, a teacher randomly selected 12 students in class and timed them to see how long it would take to complete a quiz. These were the times that were given. And so we're assuming that those times followed a normal distribution, and we're asked to find a 99% confidence interval. So the first thing you want to do is go to your calculator under Stat, Edit, find the list, and then just enter your data that was given in your problem. You want to double check your data to make sure that you did in fact enter it correctly. Now go to Stat and arrow over to Test. And since this is less than 30 for our sample size, we're going to go down to T interval, which is number 8. At that point, you want to highlight data because you just entered it. And now verify that you have the correct list. Go down to your C level, which is your confidence level, and that's 99%. So we want to enter it as a decimal, 0.99, and then calculate. This will now give us our confidence interval. Of 13.025, 31.142. Example 2, you are a food inspector for the Food and Drug Administration. A company advertises that the lobster tails are in an average 11 ounces. You take a random sample of 50 lobster tails from the company and you get an average of 9.2 ounces. The standard deviation is 1.7 ounces. So I'm just highlighting the information that I'm going to need to enter into the calculator. And then I'm going to calculate a 90% confidence interval. So in the calculator, I want to go to Stat, scroll over to Test. This time I'm going to select number 7, Z interval. And now I'm going to move over to Stats and highlight that. And from that point, I'm just going to enter the information that I've highlighted in the problem. The confidence level, again, we have to make sure that we make that a decimal, so 0.90. Calculate, and then it's going to give us our confidence interval. The confidence interval is going to be 8.8046. And 9.5954. All right. I hope you liked the video. Thumbs up and subscribe.
Subscribe.